This is a channel called Ranking the World. You don't have to play the audio. You can mute it. I am absolutely mesmerized by these types of videos. I don't know if you guys have watched these yet, but it's like there's something hypnotic about these style of videos. They've taken off recently. I mean, this one has 700,000 views, but there's been a few that have taken off recently. And essentially what you're looking at is it will be some certain category, which would normally just be a typical graph, and they animate it. And it bounces around and moves around like this. And you learn something in a slightly more dynamic way. And somehow the movement represented in the video helps you to understand how competitive it feels like a race. It feels like you're in the boardroom as these companies go up and down and how they get judged and the scoreboard that they're working within. And when you sit there and you say, well, who do they answer to? When you're talking about mega corporations making calls and decisions and such. And then you watch something like this, visualize like this, and you feel the anxiety of like, our market cap used to be 300 billion. And look at us now. The glory days are gone. And we're getting chased by our competitors. You know, you see the different petro companies on there. British Petroleum, ExxonMobil. They're all aware, Royal Dutch Shell. And what you'll see if you watch this entire clip, we don't have to watch the entire clip, but if you do watch this entire clip, you can maybe fast forward a little bit more. You will see the typical, the traditional companies, oil and gas, as well as financial, and you'll see them get replaced by tech companies. And it all happened in like the last few years. As all of a sudden, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Apple, Microsoft, they all jump straight to the top. Now, the other cool thing about this visualizer, it puts the different countries that pop into it are represented by different colors. So you can see China jumps in here with Tencent and Alibaba. But the tech companies dominating the most valuable companies in the world over the last couple of years. And Amazon, you can see they're chasing Apple big time. It's a cool thing. Here you can see we're getting up to 2019. It's a back and forth game, guys. It moves around a lot. I think it's a cool way to visualize information, learn something real quick, and be mesmerized at the same time. Technology is still the thing, though. I mean, as visualized through this particular graph here, technology is the thing.